past president.
Hello po, JJ po.
Huwag ka na magkaitad lang tayo.
Sorry po. Sorry.
Bago ka lang?
Oo, bago lang ako.
Can I see your reg form? Hindi kasi ako na-inform na may bago kaming student, kaya medyo nagulat talaga kami. Oh no, JJ, mali ka nang napasukan. This is section C. See? This is section C.
Sorry. Sabi kasi sa akin dito tayo section E eh.
Sorry, JJ, hindi talaga dito yun eh.
Pesting ulo po, nilikaw ako.
Guys, settle down. It's okay.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching our roleplay. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and follow us on TikTok. Thanks again.